Hi there, my name's Dave Johnson. I'm a Master Certified e-business consultant. So please subscribe to my channel for any future notifications when I bring my next video out. So folks, everything on this video I can guarantee is absolutely free. You won't need PayPal or a credit card details of any kind. Okay, this offer, this traffic package offer I've put together for you is absolutely free to you for watching this video, and if you stick to the end I'll tell you where you can also get 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice, whether it be a blog, a website, a YouTube video, or any affiliate link. So for all you budding internet marketers and affiliate marketers out there, this is an absolute ideal package for you, and it's best of all, it's absolutely free of charge. Okay, so you will receive our bonus traffic strategies, ultra popular money making products and recommendations, and also 10,000 visitors, 5,000 banner exposures, 5,000 text ad exposures free from the traffic center. Okay, and from our safe list extreme you will also get 50,000 safe list email credits. Okay, and the traffic ad links and solo list ad board system, you will get 20,000 advertising credits free of charge for that. And two more bonuses to mention is you'll also get 20,000 advertising credits to our ultimate safe list and exchange system. That one is absolutely fantastic, guys. And the final one is 20,000 advertising credits free of charge again to our Dragon Safe List system. So folks, I can offer you all these that I've just mentioned for free of charge. No credit card, no PayPal required. Okay, and to claim your extra special bonus of 50,000 free guaranteed visitors to a website of your choice, all you've got to do is click that link below this video, okay, to get everything I've mentioned. Click the link on the video and we'll take it from there, guys. Like I say, no credit card, no PayPal required. Just fill out the form and away you go. You'll get all your credits. Okay, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. Blast your ads out to those 30,000 per month free of charge and claim those 50,000 visitors by clicking the link below this video. Okay, until next time, stay safe and I'll see you soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.